6 phrasal verbs you can use every day. Hello and welcome. If you want to sound more natural and confident in English, learning phrasal verbs is a great step. These are commonly used in daily conversations. Today, let's learn 6 simple and useful phrasal verbs with easy meanings and real-life examples. 1. Kick off, meaning to start something. Example, we will kick off the meeting at 10 a.m. 2. Let in, meaning to allow someone to enter. Example, she let in her friend when she knocked. 3. Stand out, meaning to be easily noticed. Example, her confidence makes her stand out in class. 4. Fall off, meaning to drop from something. Example, the book fell off the table. 5. Fall out, meaning to have a disagreement and stop being friendly. Example, the brothers fell out after the argument. 6. Butt in, meaning to interrupt rudely. Example, please don't butt in while I'm speaking. Practice these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations to improve your fluency. Keep learning, keep speaking, and you will see progress every day. Thank you.